Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to automate Notion with N8N. Let's go ahead and get started. First, go to Notion and then navigate to Profile and Integrations. Click on New Integration and give it a name. Choose the workspace where you want this integration to live. Make sure you are logged into the correct Notion account because if you are not, you should log out and log back into the right one before continuing. After that, select the type of integration, whether internal or public. You can upload a logo if you want, but this is optional. Click Save and then click Configure Integration Settings. Here you can assign permissions to the integration, like reading or inserting comments. I am going to give it full permissions to keep things simple. Once that is done, show the integration key, copy it, and save it somewhere safe. Now switch over to N8N. At the top, go to Credentials. Click on Add Credential, select Notion API, and then Continue. Paste the integration secret into the field and click Save. At this point, it will say connection successful, but we are not done yet. In order to fully use it with Notion, you need to go back to the Notion page, refresh, and go to Connections. Find the new integration you just created and add it to the pages you want it to have access to. In this example, I will connect it to a new page. Now let's test the integration. In N8N, click Add Workflow and then add a Notion node. The easiest way to test this is with a database page. In N8N, make sure you have selected the Test API credential you just set up. Over in Notion, create a new page specifically for testing. Inside that page, add an inline database and give it a name such as TestDB. This will serve as the table where we can send and receive information. Go ahead and type in a few sample entries so the database has some content to work with. This is not required, but it helps to clearly see the integration in action. Back in N8N, configure your Notion node to connect to a database. From the options available, click on From List, and you should now see the TestDB appear as a selectable option. Choose it and then add a new row of information. For example, type in "This is another test." Once that is entered, click on the Test Step button. If everything is set up correctly, N8N will confirm that the request was successful. Now return to Notion and check the TestDB table. You should see the new entry appear instantly in your database. This shows that the connection between Notion and N8N is active and working as intended. That completes the test. From here, you can expand the automation however you want, such as adding new rows when external events occur, updating databases automatically, or syncing data from other tools directly into Notion.